This is week 117 of building our YouTube channel. Today we have 9,591 subscribers, which is exactly the same as the population of the city of Gifford, Florida. So far we have published 8,023 videos. In total we have generated 33,800 hours of watch time, or 3 years, 313 days. In this series, we review our weekly statistics and talk about YouTube business strategy and the creator economy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. For more resources and useful links, check out our description. So let's jump into the YouTube studio. So this is the YouTube studio. These are the statistics for the last 7 days. We have generated 80,000 views in these 7 days, 968 hours of watch time, almost 1,000 hours, 234 subscribers, and $215. These are the 48-hour statistics. In the last 48 hours, we have generated 22,000 views, and these are our most popular videos in the last 48 hours. As you can see, there are a few new videos popping off right now, but generally all the same popular videos that we had the last week. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to leave your questions in the comments. We are going to answer all of the questions, and see you in the next one.